Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Tab Active, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. To get started, we will need to grab a cable and it needs to be plugged into your computer and just have it ready. Next, on the device, we're just going to turn it off. There we go. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold your volume up and power button at the same time, and when you start holding both of those buttons at the same time, you will then want to immediately plug it in with the cable that is plugged into your computer. I'm trying to kind of position my hand so I can press all the buttons. Plug it in, there we go. So you will start seeing the logo right here. You can let go of the power button at that point, and once you see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Additionally, we can unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into this mode, unlike any other device that doesn't need that, because Samsung needs to be a little bit annoying. Now in here, using volume buttons, we're gonna scroll down in order to select wipe cache partition. So smack that volume down several times, and once it's selected, you can confirm it with your power button. I'm gonna select yes. At the bottom, which was not very visible, we did have wiping cache, then cache wipe complete. Once cache wipe is completed, reboot system now is selected by default. So all we need to do is press power button once more to confirm that option, and this will initiate a reboot and bring us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.